talk about CC the app. Okay. When we first used it and my cousins on her iPad, it became really scary and weird and weird vibe on itself when we use it after and all. It happened. So us. It became scary and the name became Lola, but we didn't know her real name, so we just called her Lola. And when we use the app several times, it says creepy stuff. So that's it. Bye guys. And we delete the CC app, but it's downloading app itself. So that's it. Bye guys. Tapos na.
Hindi pa tapos yung isa. And when we delete it, download ulit. It download it again, but we didn't download it, and my cousin using it instead he didn't download it. That's strangely weird.
And bye guys. That's it.